How to walk slowly in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about walking slowly in Roblox. So this video will show you exactly how. So watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your favorite web browser and then go to roblox.com, or you can directly go ahead and launch the Roblox app. Find a game that you'd like to play. Click on the play icon over here. Click on Open Roblox Game Client. You can see that I'm running right now. Now to walk slowly, you can simply press the control key on your keyboard. And by pressing the control key, you will walk slowly on Roblox. Or you can just simply go ahead and tap on the W key on your keyboard. You won't run, you will walk slowly. So that's all there is to it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.